Ever sat down to make a YouTube video and thought, where do I even start? Maybe you've got a topic in mind, but you're not sure how to research it, and how do you turn all that information into a script that people actually want to watch? Well, here's the good news. You just need the right system. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step method to research any topic for YouTube and turn it into a clear, engaging script without wasting hours scrolling through random articles and endless Google searches. This is the exact process that I've used to create videos on topics that I knew nothing about at first, and they still ended up getting thousands of views. So if you've ever felt stuck and don't know what to say, where to begin your research, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to break down any topic, organize your ideas, and deliver a video that actually hooks people from start to finish. This is Brian. Let's get started. We're going to do this in two parts. In the first part, we're going to see how to research any YouTube topic. To do that, we're going to do 4 steps. The first step is to find ideas for your video. If you already have an idea, you can skip this step. But if you need help, there are 2 ways to come up with video ideas. First, go to YouTube and type your topic in the search bar. For example, if you're planning to make a video on making money online, just enter that here. And you'll find the list of related videos. You can check out the video titles that grab your attention because this can give you ideas for your video. Copy the titles you like and paste them into a document for later reference. Next, you can also use an extension called vidIQ. This can help you see the trending topics on your competitor's channel so that you can know which topics are popular right now. To get the extension, click the link in the description, click Add to Chrome, then click Add this extension. Once you have done that, go to your competitor's channel and here you'll find the extension. Just click on the vidIQ icon and click View Trending Videos. Here you'll see a list of trending topics and video titles. Just copy the titles you like and add them to your document. Now that you have a list of video ideas, next you need to choose a video title from the list. Once you've chosen your title, let's go to step 2, which is to find the audience's pain point. Now to connect your content with the right audience, you need to understand what problems or challenges your viewers face. When you know their struggles, you can create content that's truly valuable and worth watching. So to find the audience's pain point, we need to answer 3 key questions. Who's the viewer and why are they searching for this video? What situation or problem is the viewer currently experiencing? And what specific solution is the viewer hoping to achieve? Let's see an example. Let's say our topic is how to create an e-commerce website. Here, who's the viewer? They could be a small business owner, a freelancer, or someone looking to start an online store. They want to set up a website, but they don't know where to start. Next, what problem are they facing? Maybe they don't have the technical skills or have too many platform choices, or they are unsure how to design a website that attracts customers. And now, what outcome do they want? They want a simple step-by-step guide to build an e-commerce website without coding so that they can launch their store quickly and start selling. So this way, you need to answer the questions based on the topic that you choose. Now, if you're unsure how to answer these questions for your topic, don't worry. We've created a tool in GravityWrite that can help you analyze your audience and generate answers in seconds. To use this tool, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. Here, enter the title of your video and click Create Content. As you can see, the tool has analyzed the audience based on your topic and it has given us the pain points. Alright, now that we know what our audience is struggling with, next, we need to find the right information to solve their problem. Now, instead of collecting random details, we'll start by finding out the key questions our audience might have about the topic. Then, we'll collect the information that answers those questions. So let's move on to the third step, which is to generate the research questions for the topic. Now, to generate the research questions, there's a tool in GravityWrite. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to YT Search Questions Generator tool. Here you need to enter the audience's pain point you just found in the previous step. Let's go back to this tab. Copy the current situation of the audience and paste it in the tool. Then copy the viewer's goal and paste it here. Once you're done, click Create Content and the tool will generate the research questions for your topic. You can choose any two questions that are most relevant to your topic. I'm going to select these two. So just copy the questions and paste them onto your document. Now that we know the questions that we need to answer, let's go to the final step of researching the topic, which is to collect the data for your video. Now we are going to collect the data that answers our research questions, and we have different options to get the data, like Google, YouTube, blogs, or even ChatGPT. In this video, we're going to use Perplexity. It gives you quick and accurate answers that makes your research more efficient. So to find the answers, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to Perplexity. Now let's find the answer to the first question. Let's go back to the document, copy the first question, and paste it here. Now click here. Here you can see that Perplexity has different search modes, which lets you narrow down where it has to look for information. Web mode is best for getting quick, broad information across the internet. Academic mode focuses on scholarly research like articles or scientific studies. Social mode helps you discover relevant discussions or opinions from social media and online communities. You can use any mode based on your topic. We'll generate it using web mode. Then click here. And you can see that it has generated a detailed answer for the question. Once you get the data, copy it and save it in a new document. Next, let's generate the answer using the social media mode and see if there are any interesting discussions or community opinions on the same topic. So let's go back to Perplexity. Click here to go back. Again, paste the question here. And switch the search mode to social. Once you get the answer, again copy and paste the data into the document. Now that you've generated the data for the first question, and in the same way you can get the answer for the second question and add it to the document. So now we've collected all the necessary data for our video. And this is how you can do research for any YouTube topic. You can follow the same method to research any topic you want. Okay, once the research is ready, next, let's go to part 2 of this video where we'll see how to write the script for this topic. Now to write the script for our topic, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to generate an engaging intro. A strong intro grabs attention immediately, makes viewers curious about what's coming next, and keeps them watching the video until the end. If you're good at writing, you can write an intro yourself. However, if you need any help, there's a tool in GravityWrite which can give you a compelling intro that hooks the audience. So let's go back to GravityWrite. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to the YT Hook and Intro Maker tool. Here enter your video title. Then you need to add the audience's pain point which we found in the previous part. So let's go back to that tab. Copy these 2 sections and paste them here. Next, you need to enter the research data that you collected here. So let's open the document. Copy the entire data and paste it here. Once you're done, click Create Content. You can see that GravityWrite has generated a catchy hook and a strong intro for our topic. Let's copy it and save it on a document. Once you have the intro ready, let's go to step 2, which is to create an outline for the script. Before writing the complete script, it is important to create an outline that highlights the key sections of your video. This keeps things organized, makes writing easier, and helps your video flow smoothly. To create the outline for a video, let's go to GravityWrite. Here, fill in these details. Your video title, and then add the intro which we just generated. Just go here, copy the intro, and paste it. Then here, paste the research data. Go to the research document, copy the data, paste it here, and click Create Content. You can see that the outline has been generated Once you've generated the outline, let's go to the final step, which is to generate the complete script for our topic. Now, to make sure our video is interesting and keeps viewers engaged, we need a crisp, well-structured script. And instead of writing it all from scratch, we're going to make things easier using a tool in GravityWrite. So just click the link in the description below and it'll take you to this tool. Here you need to fill in all these details. So let's quickly do that. First, enter any name for reference. Then add your video title. Next, paste the script outline which we just generated. To do this, go back to the previous tab, copy the outline, and paste it here. After that, add the intro. Just copy and paste it. Finally, enter your research data. And once you're done, click Save and Continue. Now you will see that the tool lets you generate the script part by part. You can create up to 6 different parts for your video. To generate the script for part 1, just click Create Content and it will instantly generate the script based on the data that you provided. Now if you want to generate a detailed script for each part, you can do more research on each section. To do that, go back to the Outline tab. Now copy the outline of the first part. Then like we did before, use Perplexity to research and gather additional data. Once you have it, just paste it into the tool. Now if you click Regenerate, you can see that it has generated a detailed script for this part. Now in the same way, you can research each part and generate the entire script for your topic. Once the script is fully generated, copy and paste it into the document for easy access. Since we used AI to generate the script, go through it once and adjust anything that doesn't feel right. This can add a personal touch to the script and ensure everything flows naturally. Once you're satisfied with the script, you can start shooting your video or recording your voiceover using this script. And then you can edit it, add visuals wherever necessary, complete your video, and the end result will look like this. Ever sat down to make a YouTube video and thought, where do I even begin? So we've successfully researched and created the script for our video. So that's it guys, this is how you can do research and script for any YouTube topic. Website Learners is now available on WhatsApp. Whenever we have a new video, it comes on this WhatsApp channel. So to join us on WhatsApp, just scan the QR code and click this link. Now click on this follow button and that's it. You'll now receive the latest updates on WhatsApp. Hope you guys like this video, so make sure you subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.